So today, man, hopefully you guys are liking and subscribing and keeping up with every notification that we keep posting, and just let us know if we're doing a good job. We got the Blizzy fam, everyone in the cut. Everyone in the cut. So today we're gonna go and see the parents, grandparents. Yeah, you got a beautiful day. So we're gonna see the grandparents. We're gonna go by the pool. We're gonna have some fun. Hopefully we have a barbecue. And yeah, just stay tuned because we got a lot more fun coming up your way. Hey, Bailey. Yeah, she's cute. You see what she did to me? She got me good, man. She gave me a nice right one. But hey, listen, as I said, man, stay tuned. We definitely got a lot of fun things to do. We got the beautiful mama in the back. So we're gonna be in the car and we'll see you in a sec. Hey guys, man, we're back with another video. I said we're back with another video. Hopefully you guys are doing okay today. I have a prank. Beep if you're horny prank. Hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if I'm doing a good job. And hopefully we can have a part 2. Stay tuned. And we are out. Let's get this show on the road. Okay, hey fam.
Hey, can you wait until I put my lashes on?
Yeah, we just we're gonna end it anyway. You know those macaroons? That's what she is. A snackaroon. My stomach is killing me. The heat. You know what I gotta do? I gotta eat more, eat better, make sure I get all my vitamins.
You do that.
I need to eat a little bit more.
But you really do.
Oh, aren't you surprised now you could say that? Daddy eats a lot now?
No, even before.
As I said, we're back, we're in the car, and we're ready to go and see who?
Nana.
Yes, we are. And we have the whole gang with us, and we're ready to rumble. I can't wait to jump in the pool.
Look at my tattoo.
Ooh, that's a nice tattoo. What does it say?
It says no love.
No love. That's different. So yeah, I'm getting hungry. I can't wait to eat. I feel like we need to grab a snack before we go there. You guys are so into your tablet. You guys forgot about us, didn't you?
No?
At least I have one really good. Oh yeah, you're on yours too.
She has a little play phone.
So yeah, man, I hope you guys are loving the content that I'm putting out.
Okay.
We got lots and lots more videos coming, and you know what? Today I just want you to do a little blog on like what we do on a daily. How she always looks like a supermodel. Look at her, she's looking fly, looking like a snack.
Thanks, babe.
Like always.
Thanks, honey. I appreciate you.
Ooh, look at that. See, look at Bailey did. She gave me a smack right in the mouth. I'm still feeling it. I feel like I'm gonna put her in boxing. You guys tell me, like I feel like I really do. She's like literally she went right, left, boom. and I was down for the count, you know. She just turned 11 months.
Alright. Let's get this show on the road. Yay! Swimming. Here we go.
You know those mornings you just wake up and you're just like, oh, let's just get something done today. Let's just do something today. Like, honestly, I don't.
You want to go to Shoppers?
Yeah.
We'll go to the one.
By your mom's.
Yeah.
There's no point in going out and then come home.
Look, I did something.
Yes, sir.
I can't wait till you get a new car.
You got chips all over your face.
You get a nice Benz.
That won't be happening for like 10 years with these children.
Wait, no.
Oh, so funny. Doesn't matter how many times you clean your car, your kids will always find a way to mess it up.
Wow, that hot
Oh,
thing.
did you bring the pumper? The pump thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I brought it. Now you're talking about Bill Pumper.
Oh man, I forgot to rub off the. I'll just rub it off at my mom's house.
There's nothing like driving with the family. Oh, this sun got me looking nice. Look at me. Look at that. I've turned into a nice caramel. Yeah, meanwhile. Stop playing with me. What you say?
You're very white, so you wait like an hour outside of the sun.
You know what? You guys have no faith in me. No faith whatsoever.
Even my sisters are darker than you.
I know. Yeah. Thanks to me.
Yes.
Thanks to me.
Move, stay away. Millie's forehead is very hard.
She looks like a real mommy
She's sweating?
driver.
Yeah, it's sweating. Her forehead is sweating.
She looks like a real mommy driver right there. Both hands on the wheel.
Of course.
You know you gotta have the Jamaican boxing gloves.
You know what I'm thinking of getting? Like those air freshener things for when I blow the thing, because it's like the kids just be spilling every darn thing in here. It doesn't matter how I clean it up, it's still. I want that fresh smell all the time. See if they have some at Shoppers, babe.
Fresh what?
Like, you know when you stick it on, like, where the vents are? The
Yeah.
air vents? And it, like, the air just blows out. A good air. See if they have it at Shoppers like that. Or would they sell it at the gas station? Probably at the gas station, right?
Probably.
I miss about that plaza.
I'm really hungry.
What are you hungry for? Let's
I'm not
go.
hungry.
Go to Burger King quick and then just grab a or something.
Yeah. Where's Burger King?
I love Burger King.
I thought you said you weren't hungry.
I'm hungry now. I'm hungry now.
I thought you said you didn't like Burger King.
What? We did. When did I ever say that? I love Burger King. You just want to make a fibber.
He's a fibber.
I'm a fibber.
Every day.
Blaze really cried back there. She's
Left.
sleeping.
No, she's pulling my hair. She's eating her seatbelt.
You just had lunch. How are you eating your seatbelt, mommy?
You get a bottle for her?
Yeah, we bought her stuff.
I like when we spend this family time together.
Yep, me too. Oh, you guys took the charger again? Is that my charger? This one? Oh, so cut it out. charge my phone, honey.
I know, it doesn't charge.
Give me.
Gas prices are going down a lot.
Why is it not charging?
Anybody know about Bruno?
Sorry, take that off my phone 1 second.
Just me and you guys.
Where is it?
It's on the right hand
Oh, I
side.
see it. I see it. It's Plaza, right? Mm-hmm.
I see it. Look at me and I children go.
Burger King.
You have
Only got
Daddy?
one?
Yeah.
Only got one? Why didn't you bring a bunch?
Cause I knew you guys.
My mom probably has
Yeah.
some.
Not fair.
Nana
Do they have like
has
ice cream or something?
Nana has probably has popsicles at the house.
Don't they have like ice cream?
Yeah, but Nana has some.
Walk to that guy's car.
What ice cream?
I don't know if they have ice cream.
Last time they did.
At Burger King? I ordered it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy always orders the best stuff.
Yeah. Really? I want a different ice flavor of Burger King, and the creator of Dairy Queen should be in love because Dairy Queen and Burger King. Get it?
Yeah.
That was a good one. I like that one.
Hi, can I get two for kids you have like 6-piece nuggets meal? Okay. Okay. Can I get two 6-piece nugget meals for the kids? Apple juice. And
Looking
can
good.
I get what do I want for myself? What do I want?
From number 1 to number 12.
No. Can I get this spicy crispy chicken meal? Yeah, the meal. I'll get a Fruitopia. And yeah, okay, I think that. Oh, can I get a small poutine on the side as well?
I'm getting the
Oh, okay, yeah. that's
ghost
fine.
pepper nuggets.
And then can I get the ghost pepper nuggets meal with the
King.
Fruitopia? And I think that's everything. Thank you.
Where's the hospital again? Oh, it's here.
Oh, I forgot to get the thing for you guys. Crap.
Oh, what's this place?
I forgot to get the ice cream for you guys.
Mommy.
I'll order it here.
Best mommy in the world.
Look. Look, Kara.
You're so annoying.
Just had it off.
Hi, Shiggy. Hi. Hi.
I look like I got into a fight.
Hi, Ryan. I see you. I see you. I
Ooh,
see you.
yeah.
I'm hungry. I'm starving.
I know.
Oh my
This
god.
is just
I need
No,
some
I need it.
sauce.
Oh.
Badly.
You need hot sauce?
Some sauce. What's wrong? Where's your Suki? You have your Suki. You do. You do. You do. You do. Did she finish her lunch? She finished it? You
She
did.
ate.
You did. Daddy told me you did. He told me. He told me. About ma. I goo goo. I love you.
I agree.
My little crazy family.
It's really hot outside today.
Yeah, very hot, eh?
That's why Mom and she's to go swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You get
I can't wait to jump in that pool.
Me too. Thank you.
Burger King.
Here, guys.
How about I just taste the whole thing?
Let's just dump out the water.
We'll give it to the plants. We don't waste over here. We don't waste over here.
Since you're the best baby that ever came.
Okay.
Wait, she's the
Thank
older
you.
sister. She's the older sister. Do you know why?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Here.
I'll take this one because I have more syrup. Wait, no. I want less syrup. I want less syrup.
You like it. Stop being fussy.
Or copycat.
Exactly.
How do
Copycat.
you open this thing?
Why don't you wait until you have your food?
Oh,
Okay, yeah, because then the ice cream will melt. Have the ice cream first. Smart. You gotta wait. She didn't give me the spoons.
I don't want to wait. No.
I don't want to wait.
For my lives to be over.
What?
See? God, you had to be there. You had to be there. Back in the day. If you know, you know. Comment below if you know what tune, what show that tune is from.
Oh, definitely. And we're going way back. This is like Boy Meets World days, right?
Yeah, probably even
Boy Meets World.
Probably
yeah.
even further.
See, that's the little hint right there.
That's not no hint.
Look.
If you punch in Boy Meets World, then it's somewhere around that area. So then you know.
Yeah, so.
Mommy, look. Look.
Yes, baby. Oh, or you want to just run inside and get the spoon?
I can run inside. See, that's how good of a daddy I am. There you go. See. Woo! Can I get spoons? Spoons? 2. Thank you. Quick spoons, quick spoons. Woo! Burger King, Burger King.
Mommy.
Better?
Thank you.
Anytime, sweet lady. Let's go. I want to jump in the pool. I want to jump in the pool. I want to jump in the pool.
Thank you.
I want
welcome,
to jump
baby.
in the pool.
Me too. Oh,
Mommy, you never jump in the pool.
I go home. Because you know why?
Because you can't swim.
No, when I'm pregnant, I actually can't swim. Like I never knew that until
It's like a floating raft.
I don't think I remembered, because back in the day when I was pregnant with you guys, how am I gonna do this here?
Mine is scratching.
Mine, he scratched me. I am a push up on me.
Him up, push up on you.
I don't remember back in the day, but I used to be in the pool with you guys when I was pregnant with you guys. But I noticed when I was pregnant with Bailey, and I would go in the pool, I felt like I was sinking, like a sinking ship.
That's why we got mommy floaties.
Hold on, we got in the floaties. When I have the floaties, I'm good.
So I got the ghost pepper nuggets from Burger King. We're gonna kill 2 birds, 1 stone. Blog
Spicy?
plus a review.
Is it spicy?
Ghost pepper.
Daddy, you sure I have enough spice?
Exactly.
It's crispy.
You just sold up 2 times off of a spicy chip, and then before you had spicy shrimps, and now,
He's local.
yeah.
They call me the Spanish fly. Crispy, well done. I mean, like, done properly.
It's very fresh too, eh?
I found two. The one that.
You know what I noticed?
Yeah. I found the one that was
Like-
yeah. Look, I found.
Quiet, honey. We normally, like, before, we'd always take the kids to McDonald's just because, like, everybody always goes to McDonald's, right? But like the real fresh ones that, like, I don't know, every time on and like their fries are cold, or you know, like it always feels like they just took it off of. Like, I don't know if it's just luck or what. But that's what I noticed.
Ooh, got a little kick to it.
Yeah, man.
Daddy, don't fill up Mom's car.
Please so.
Nope.
He'll be walking to Nana's.
I'm just doing this because of soda. What?
I don't know what the hell that is.
Oh, that's a nice car. Nice car.
One time.
Sick car, man.
What? What is that?
That's a sick car. No,
Why is he like doing that? It's crazy.
sick car though.
Wow. Some people are like crazy.
And this guy's eating his Burger King too. We need to grab some
I
food.
think that guy needs some ice cream to cool his jets.
Oh.
You're on a roll. You're on a roll, babe. Leave it up to like your kids to have the best punchlines. Like
100%.
so funny. How's the ice cream? You guys are quiet back there.
You know the food's good when everyone's quiet.
It's just so good. Why am I honking?
Are they honking at us?
No. Nothing.
What did you do?
I promise I didn't do nothing.
I can't stand you. What did you freaking do?
I'm still trying to figure out why are you honking over then?
Because they're honking at me.
You're honking at them.
I don't know.
So why am I always to blame for everything?
You do everything.
Exactly.
Huh?
You do everything.
I'm gonna let him pass because this stuff gets me nervous.
You know, he's gonna go to jail one time for speeding that fast.
Exactly.
It's not how people do that.
Babe,
Why is it like this?
babe,
Yeah.
where are you going?
To my mom's.
I told you we have to go to Shoppers.
Oh yeah. Okay. We can just take her out. Cause it
Just
got me nervous.
straight. Just go straight and then turn around.
It got me nervous, babe.
But
I
mommy,
can't
why
focus.
are we going to shopping?
'Cause I need Pepto-Bismol,
Daddy, yeah, Daddy needs
and I'm
something
still eating
to
hot
eat.
stuff.
Even Bailey is thinking why the cars are going so fast. She's like,
Exactly.
Isn't there one down here?
Yeah, we can go. Is there one down there?
Yeah, my stomach. After today, I had something hot. I think I'll run my gut.
You are crazy, man. You're so crazy.
You're crazy.
You're so crazy. Okay,
Babe, if we go down this road
What?
and we not come back, this is where Jeepers Creepers is.
You wanna go down there? I'm just turning around right here. I hate those movies where like they stop off at like the weirdest friggin' places and you're like, why are you doing that? Like, so you wanna die?
Babe, go this way.
Why?
I don't want to. Isn't it faster going right here?
But there's shoppers.
I don't
is
know.
that
You
way.
tell me which way is easier. Is that
And
one that way?
shoppers is that way. No.
This is her stomping grounds. This is where she be at.
I don't know me.
Hey, this one is fine. Where's my bag?
The next one is at the mall.
So I'm going to. You know, we just spending time with the family, you know what I mean? Looking like a snackums. See how quiet he is? It's not even like anyone even knows that we have an extra child. Bailey's just sitting there so quiet, just vibing out.
It's so good. What? You ate it all? Wow.
What do you guys rate that ice cream out of 10?
1 out of 1,000.
No, between 1 to 10, 10 being the best, how good is it?
9.
9? What about you? Very good.
You're gonna crash his neck off. Me say driver! Me say don't stop at all! Woo! Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces fast, and homebound. Do 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 do. Shoppers, here we go.
Yeah, baby. Come on, go.
You're probably swerving.
No, I'm not. Babe, what did you do? What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
What did you do? Everybody's like... What is going on in the world? I really want to know.
Oh, it's the brown people behind us.
And they're following us now. Are they following us?
Yeah, they are.
What the hell? It's so weird. Why are they following us? Or maybe they just so happen to be going. But they were in the other lane before, then they came behind us. Like that, Thebnbfam?
They're bringing up the good old days. The little kids who used to be over here. Bringing up the good old days, not high school days. Oh. Good days. Oh. See you guys in the pool side.
Yes. See you guys later, gators. If we make a turn here and they follow, then I know.
I'm thirsty.
You went
Yo, you see how she trips out? I thought, thank God I was about to go and cut the camera. You see how she trips out? I think everyone will follow us. She feels like she's a spy. She feels like everyone's a spy. I'll follow her, okay? But yo, we'll see you guys in the pool. Love you guys.
Three, 2, 1, blast off! I see you.
Daddy, do that to me.
Kind of fruit or
I'm
vegetables.
scared. I'm
Hey guys, you having fun? You having fun? Yeah, I think it's a fun time in the pool. Snow goggles.
Are you video? Don't worry, I'll take care of you.
Another pose. Baby. Yep. Cool life. If this phone a drop in the water, I cheese the backside. No splashing. Yeah, yeah. And we got little Bailey right here. What up, boo boo? Uh-oh, she's drinking the water. But look at her. Look at this. She's really Guys, I hope you kids are enjoying it. Look at it, my little swimmers. Woo-wee.
There's a big biggie in her nosy. Big in her nose. Big in her nose. Ah, Mommy's in the house.
Yeah, yeah.
Billy in the house now. Billy. You're in the house. I need to see what Mommy is.
Never see you.
I need goggles.
Everyone say hi.
You guys are doing so good. Oh my God, it's Sunday with our white jackets. Oh my God, swim to the edge, swim to the edge. Swim to the edge, swim to the edge. Swim to the edge, swim to the edge. You guys are doing so good.
It's just a little hard because the water's like thick and my arms are tired, but
Yay!
I'm coming. This way, Mommy.
Careful, baby.
Which way should I go? This way or that?
Careful. One at a time, guys. One at a time.
Hey, baby.
Which way should I go?
Wait.
Which one should I go?
I don't know, babe. Hold on.
I'm going this one here. You'll be fine.
Okay, I know, but one at a
I
time.
just want by myself now.
Keep going. Keep going. Oh my God! Go to the side. Go to the side. Go to the side, baby. High five, baby. I'm proud of you. Okay, your turn now.
Good job.
You want me to sit here?
Wait. No. You wait.
Like, you want me to go there? Will you?
Yep.
But I need to go to the side. I'm scared.
Yeah, you hold on to the side, babe. Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't believe this! I can't believe this! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You guys are doing so amazing.
Bailey, what are you doing?
Wow! Okay, Cody, please don't stay at the side, okay, honey? Stay, hold on to the side. She's here.
Ooh, good girl.
Cody, don't scare me like that. You can't stop, okay? You gotta just keep going. You cannot stop, okay, babe? You can't stop. I don't want you to stop, because
You say,
oh my God! Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
come by, drive from here now.
No. Your legs are getting tired. Let's take it easy
Yeah.
and relax.
Yeah.
When your feet are not tired, then you can try again.
Exactly. Yes.
I can swim in the
Baby,
deep end now.
I can't turn my head for 1 second without you trying to pop your nose into the water. Uh-oh.
Why you kick me off?
Coda, over here, baby. No, see guys, go that way. Shallow in. Shallow in.
Alligator. Mommy, I'm coming your way, okay?
Okay, guys, let's just relax now, because I'm
Hey,
getting
stop thinking.
Ooh. Careful, baby. Careful. Go.
Butt cheek.
Okay, I gotta go looking for her sucking. I don't know where it is. Hey, you guys.
Saturday night, feeling right.
Going deep end
Staying safe.
with my parents.
Yes, even though we're panicking, you know.
Why are you panicking? And we're not.
I know. No, I'm not panicking. I'm actually proud of you guys, but I still want you guys to be
Why are you
very,
panicking?
very safe.
And we're not even panicking. You're just gonna make us scared. Mommy,
Yes,
show me a trick.
You want to what?
A trick.
Oh, okay, show me a trick. Wait, hold on. Let me try to get the camera on you.
I need goggles. And then said she would give me the goggles. Where's the goggles?
You give me my
The bin is
goggles?
over there. She brought the bin out.
Give me
She
my
brought the bin
goggles?
out.
Where's my goggles?
Right there.
Can you get them for me? I gotta look for Bailey's safe. Go.
Show me your trick, baby.
Okay.
Show them right there.
Wow, you
Thank
did
you.
a flip? Wow. Let me see.
I can't because I need those goggles.
Go get the pink ones. Let me see if I can stretch them out again. Let me see if I can stretch it out further. Hi, say hi to the camera, Mama. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look. Say hi.
I did it.
Say hi.
I want to show you another trick.
Hi to the camera.
I could just do.
Hi to the camera. We're swimming.
Say hi.
Yay.
Oh, look at that.
Go. Go.
Wait. Wait, Daddy's actually sucking it. Daddy was sucking it.
I found it.
You gotta keep that sticky behind her.
Oh.
She puts it in and then she's gonna take it right out again.
Bye. No. I'm coming to splash you.
No. No
Hope you guys are
splash.
having a beautiful Saturday like we are.
Yes.
Look
enjoying your summer. By the pool when it's really hot. Walking like that, and they're like so close to them.
It looks so nice.
Hi guys! We had an amazing time swimming, didn't we guys?
Yeah.
We hope you guys stayed cool tonight, and hopefully you guys will buy some water like us.
See how bubbly she is? I wish she was like this all the time. No, she is. She is 100%. She is.
I am.
Yo, watch down this road.
I had such a good time.
Make sure you don't go too
Let me put on cruise control.
cruise.
You know, they'll get you if you're doing 5 over on this friggin' road.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh goodness. Yeah, today was so good. The kids swam in the deep end for the first time without life jackets. Like that is a milestone. Especially our firstborn. She's like, she gets nervous with those things, and she killed it. Like, so proud of her, so proud of the two of them. Our secondborn is more like a little, what would you say? She's more daring.
Yeah, she is.
So I'm not surprised there, but I was so impressed and so proud, right, babe?
Yeah, it was pretty good. You know, honestly, I feel like we had such a good day. I hope you guys had one too.
Yeah.
Good day.
Yeah.
And I can't wait.
Yeah, we had steaks. We had some juicy steaks tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, tonight was good.
It was a good day.
It was a good day.
Hopefully you guys stay tuned, like I said, to another video.
Yes.
Those comments are really
comment.
appreciated.
Yeah. Those likes are appreciated too, because it means that we're doing something positive and you guys like what you see, and it's cool.
So, as I said, we out. The Blizzy fam.
Say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
We out. See you guys.
I didn't know. Oh, I'm like, what? Wait. Babe, if I hear somebody honk again, I'm gonna freaking flip out.
No, don't flip out. Well, we had a good time. I just hope that at the end of the day, her little bit of superstition and being inspired.
Please,
I
you
don't
did
know.
something and I don't know what
I
the
didn't
heck
do
you
nothing,
did.
but
I want to know what you did.
I didn't do nothing.
You did. Why is everybody looking? Oh, they're probably like that light.
Yo, turn that shit right off.
Right?
As long as you had a good day, that's all that matters.
Yeah, I did have a good day. I had an amazing day. Went to my parents' house, and it's always a fun time at Nana Nono's, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really good. It was super hot today too, so the pool was just what we needed, right?
It was.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was super hot today.
But always, you know what you should do? Comment Blizzy team, Blizzy gang a whole lot, because you know I am the man with the plan. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I'm telling you, I did. I enjoyed it so much.
Mm-hmm.
Please hit that notification bell, please, because you want more, I'll give you a lot more. Okay, man, we out. Deuces.
But not spicy ones.
Not spicy ones. I got stuff for you guys. We out, bro.
Oh my god. What the hell? Babe!
I didn't do anything.
You did.
No, because they can see the camera.
No, you did do something. And I'm gonna find out.
What did I do?
Tell me
We're
what
out.
you did. Home sweet home. Oh my god.
Hey, mind you lick off the thing, man.
Babe, God, you're so paranoid.
Okay, go a little bit more forward. So, the day is over. Babes, come.
What? Oh, you're scared. What?
Beautiful you are.
I